Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Myself Shiryan Jeswa. In previous video we learned Bhasha chapter in Hindi language. So in this video we are going to start our second chapter in science, that is Animal Habitats and Adaptations. So from starting the video, please like our video and subscribe our channel. So let's start. Habitat. The environment where an organism naturally lives and reproduces is called its habitat. Means where an animal and any organism naturally lives and reproduces is called habitat. Different organisms live in their different habitats. Means though different animals like different organisms live in their different habitats. They obtain food, shelter, air and water from their habitats. Let us learn about the different types of habitats found on Earth. So our first habitat is forest. Forest habitat usually have a large amount of plants and trees. Means in the forest there are large amount of trees and plants. A variety of animals live in forest in various places such as cave, example lion and tiger and lion. So it means that there are many varieties of animals in forest like tiger and lion. On trees in such as cave, tiger and lion. On trees, birds and monkeys. In barrows, snake and rabbit. Means in barrows means that in hole type of underground hole. Snake and rabbit. And on forest floor, deer, elephants and insects. Many animals that live in forest have well-developed limbs that help them to run and walk. Means that some animals in forest that have well-developed limbs means hand and legs were developed to run and walk and run for well-developed limbs are also help them to hunt or run away from predator. Predators means an animal that kills and eats other animal. So our second adaptation is deserts. Desert habitat are sandy lands and scanty rainfall. Means that there are very sandy lands with scanty rainfalls. Scanty means very small, very little amount of. Most deserts are very hot and dry during the day and become cold at night. Means most of the deserts you can see in day they are very hot and the night it is very cold. Animals usually found in desert are camel, kangaroo rat, rattlesnakes. Means that usually found in desert animals are camel, kangaroo rat, rattlesnakes, etc. Animals in desert have special features to survive there. For example, camels have thick broad feet that help them walk easily on their means that walk easily on loose land. Loose sands means like a watery and a very watery type. They also have thick eyelids that protects their eyes. You also know that camel have 3 eyelids to protect the sandstorms and from the sand. The sand blowing with the wind from the wind. They store water and fat in their humps. You can see the humps of camels here. you can see, one second, you can see the humps. Okay, this is the humps of camels. For store water for use at times of scarcity, means that the camels store in their humps water for times for scarcity. Some desert animals live in burrows to escape heat. That means that some animals in desert uh, live in barrels to escape heat. Our third habitat is polar regions. Polar regions and mountains. The high mountains and the polar regions. The Arctic and Antarctic are covered with snow and are very cold throughout the year. During winter, the temperature can drop to very low degree. Some animals found in polar regions are polar bear, penguins, seal, and walrus. Animals like polar bear have thick fur on their body, keeps them warm. Means there are Arctic and Antarctic places, snow and very cold temperature during winter. And you can see that animals like polar bears have thick fur, means on their body there are thick fur, means there was thick hairs to keep their body warm. Penguins have a layer of fat under their skin called blubber. So the blubber also it helps to keep their body warm. So blubber is also keeping their body warm. So our fourth is oceans. Oceans are the largest habitats on the world and contain salt water. Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Southern Ocean, Indian Ocean. There are 5 types of ocean: Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Southern Ocean, and Indian Ocean. Are the various oceans on Earth. Big and small fish of different types are found in saltwater habitats. Means there is a habitats of small, big, like our snail fishes, turtles, jellyfish, shark, dolphins, and other fishes found in saltwater. Crabs, starfish, shark, whales, prawns, sea turtles, seahorses, jellyfish, electric ray, octopus, and many other types are found there in ocean habitats. So our fifth is freshwater. Freshwater habitats include various ponds, lakes, streams, and rivers. Means that the freshwater means the names are freshwater, so you can guess there are freshwater. Different kinds of fish, snakes, and frogs live in this habitat. Frogs use their long hind legs and webbed feet for swimming in water. Means that the frog use their hind legs and webbed feet for swimming in water. Web feet means that very very long feet for swimming in water. Water birds such as duck, swan, and swan swim in water their webbed feet. With their webbed feet, they are in from their webbed feet. Crabs have long legs to wade through water. So this is our 5 types of habitat. In this video we learned 5 types of habitat. So in next video we will cover our adaptation, body covering, and breathing organs. So Thank you for watching the video. Bye.